In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Canva desktop app in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of Canva, and to the leftmost bottom we will be having the profile icon. Click here, and here we are having get the Canva apps. Select it, and here we will be having the Canva for Windows. Just click on the download Canva button. The download will be getting started. The setup file is around 182 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting this Canva setup and installing. We'll be getting this almost in the app. Just click on this login through browser. It will ask you to sign in, and then you will be redirected back to the desktop app. After you sign in, we will be getting the same Canva interface that we will be seeing in the web browser, and here also we are having the Canva shortcut in the desktop. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.